Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the adorable world of Airpods cases with the Mouzor Airpods 2 case featuring a delightful Boba tea cow design. This case is specifically tailored for Airpods first and second generation, ensuring a snug fit and full compatibility. Now, let's talk style. The 3D Boba tea cow character design is nothing short of impressive. It adds a playful touch to your Airpods, making them stand out and turning heads wherever you go. Trust me, you'll be getting compliments left and right. Crafted from an environmental-friendly soft PVC material, this case not only looks good but feels great in your hands. It's easy to grip, non-slip, and offers an anti-fingerprint surface. The premium build gives you a soft and comfortable touch, making it a joy to handle. But it's not just about looks, it's about protection too. The soft yet sturdy skin of the case acts as a shield for your Airpods, guarding against accidental drops, bumps, dents, and scratches. It's like having a bodyguard for your favorite audio companions, reducing the risk of any possible damage. And here's a sweet bonus. The case comes with a handy carabiner, making it easy to clip onto your bag or belt loop for on-the-go convenience. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? Look no further. This kawaii 3D cartoon case is not just for you but also makes a perfect present for kids, family, and friends. Whoever receives it will be pleasantly surprised and instantly fall in love with this cute Boba tea cow companion for their Airpods. In conclusion, the Mouzor Airpods 2 case with the Boba tea cow design is a winning combination of style and protection. It's a must-have accessory that adds a touch of fun to your daily routine. So, if you want your Airpods to be both animated and cool, go ahead and treat yourself or someone special to this fantastic case. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.